We are back at Stone Butte and Cave Creek, and this is our update video, and stay tuned because at the end of this video, I'm going to share with you guys a really cool selling incentive where you're going to be able to save thousands of dollars if you're looking to buy a home here and you have a home to sell. So here's a scoop. So as you can see, the community is getting really well built out, and what it feels like is it feels just as I expected. It feels really cool, tucked away, pretty. You got the mountains right here. I think this is going to be a really desirable community, but more importantly, here's the latest updates. So they've decided to have 3 phases of homes. We're standing over here in phase 1, okay? So phase 1 is going to have about 4 or 5 different floor plans to choose from, a mix of 1-story and 2-story. As the community develops, it's going to get built out this way along the mountains. If you're looking for a larger home with more square footage and a bigger lot size, you're going to probably have to wait till phase 2 or phase 3, which is going to be some of the lots back behind me facing the mountains are going to extend all the way north. Those are the bigger lots, and if you're looking for an entry-level home, just a great community to live in, jump on phase 1 because it's opening soon. In fact, right behind you guys, I can see some of the first lots have already been laid out, and my clients are going to be able to pick some of the first lots to choose from. So again, here's the scoop. Phases 1, 2, and 3, from entry-level homes to kind of mid-size, upper-level homes to the estate plans, they're all going to be available here. If you want to know more, if you want to get access to all of the different floor plans, I've got the phase map. I can give you a map of what the whole community looks like, and I can show you phase 1, phase 2, phase 3. I can give you that. I can show you the lot sizes, the floor plans, all of that helpful information. Here's the last and the best part. If you got a home to sell and you want to buy here, we will sell your home for a total of 1%. That's going to save you thousands of dollars, so you can take that money, pour it over here, and allow yourself to get a beautiful new home for you and your family. So again, if you got a home to sell and you want to buy it here in Stone Butte, reach out today. Or if you just want more information, or even if you don't have a home to sell, you just want to buy a home, we can make sure you're one of the first people to get access to these lots. Make sure you get a great deal, great price, and a beautiful new home to live in. So come check out Stone Butte up here in Cave Creek. Reach out. All my information is below. I'd love to get you on our early access list. And again, I would love to help you get a beautiful new home here up in Cave Creek.